Yet another hunter arrives. It's one from the deep. Alone, they're formidable enough. But this is a pack of hundreds. Swarms like this are not accidental, but they remain mysterious. As fast as they arrived, they disappear back. Coming together in such numbers does, however, have a drawback, and they grab the opportunity with considerable enthusiasm. Perhaps there's safety in numbers. Her life is both complex and full of intrigue, and it all began with creatures smaller than a pinhead. And there is lots of competition from other invaders. Position is critical. That it's hard to imagine that there is any conflict here. There can be no honorable retreat. A winner will literally eat its enemy alive. All the creatures here have had to adopt a different and highly specialized way to gather every nourishing scrap. Victory!